Alright everyone, let's get right into my Robinhood portfolio breakdown video. So this is mainly for my group chat, which is why I'm filming this, the mainly purpose for this. If you guys are interested in joining my group and stock alert room, it's the first link in the description down below where you guys can see my instant trades and instant option calls every single day. Highly recommend checking that out. But let's just get right into the portfolio breakdown. So right here we're sitting at 28,702. So we'll probably title this video my 28,000 Robinhood portfolio or something like that. But as you guys can see, Friday was a great day, May 8th. So we were up $1,000, mostly off Tesla right here. You can see it was up 500. I have this right here as my today's return. So you can see everything was green. So I mean, that's why I chose this weekend to film this video, of course. But yeah, we had a pretty good day. Don't really mind these stocks down here. These were kind of just freebies and stuff. But let's go ahead and get right into this. So first one right here is Tesla. This is my biggest part of my portfolio right here. We own 14 shares of them at the average cost of $225.57, and I have $11,000 of equity with Tesla. So, guys, I have rid this out so far. I bought this back in. Let's see when the last time I bought one was actually during the. The last one I bought was December 4th, but we mainly picked up these in August 15, 2019. So we come back here August 15th. I mean, you wouldn't even be able to tell. This was right before any of the Tesla hype right here. Great pickup of mine. This was one of the first couple stocks that I bought when making this portfolio. So yeah, it's really boosted this. So yeah, there we go. Tesla right there. Another one, Boeing Airlines. Boeing Airlines I bought on the way down. Recently we just had a very bad market turn. So Boeing was actually trading a little high. I bought it around 152. But guys, this stock was at 344 in the high 300 range. I am not too concerned on Boeing right now. I'm only down $115, which isn't much anyways. It's only, I mean, it's 12% of the return, but I'm not too worried about this one. But I'm pretty excited to be a Boeing owner. It's pretty cool to say that I own a piece of the Boeing company. But yeah, guys, not too worried about that. And you guys can see I bought it. I think I bought it. Let's see, when did I buy this one? We bought it over here on April 7th. So it was really recent. Just right there. Right after they had a little thing, I was like, you know, there was a little bit of momentum going back up, and then it came back down. I was like, oh, great time to buy. Was not a great time to buy, but we're still holding on to it. Not too worried about that one. The next one, Disney. Same thing with Disney. I bought 27 shares right when everything started going down. I thought it was over. I think it was like March 18th, March 16th. You know, I can check right here actually. Well, I bought more during April when all this was going down. But yeah, I bought 27 shares on February 26th, right before all the Corona stuff went down. So I got very unlucky with that one. But we're still holding, and we're still making it back. Only down $300. I was down at like 800, 900 at one point. But Disney's making its way back up. Disney's a great stock. Disney Plus is booming. Yeah, I'm not too worried about this one at all either. Disney, I'm just glad to have it in my portfolio. At the average cost of $120 for Disney. The next one is going to be Apple. This stock I bought last year around some time with the average cost of $265.93. We're up $178 on that. Not bad. I wish I bought more during all this, but I didn't have the buying power. Long hold though. Apple's a long hold. Apple, Boeing, Disney, Tesla. So long you guys have seen stocks that I'm planning to hold for a very long time. So great stocks. The next one over here, Nvidia. Or oops, I clicked on AHT. We'll go to you next. Next one, Nvidia. I have this in my computer right next to me. Nvidia's a great stock. I bought them at the average cost of $210. They're up $100 now, so we're up $400 on them total. And I actually bought one recently too when this coronavirus stuff started going down. Increased my position and my lot size on that. But Nvidia, guys, this company I thoroughly believe will be very high 600 to 800s one day. They are super involved with all the AI stuff going on right now, which soon will be. That's our future. And next one, okay, so this one's Ashford Hospitality Trust. Guys, if you guys have a second, everyone go look up ticker symbol AHT. Alright, I want everyone to go look at their portfolio, though. Their portfolio is insane. Huge hotels that you guys have either stayed at, heard of, wish you could stay at. And it's only a penny stock right now. It was trading in the recent months. It was on a downfall. It definitely was. But it's a great dividend stock. It was averaging out about around 250, and then the coronavirus, boom. The Dow went down, took it back down. So I picked up a bunch. I was a holder right here during all this time, collecting dividends, doing fine, and then the Corona happened. So we're actually down we're down almost half our position on that one. But great dividend stock, great long term, and their real estate portfolio is just huge. There's no reason for this to not go back up eventually. So Friday it only went up 9 cents, and I made $111 off 9 cents of the market going up. So yeah, this stock is very volatile. I have a lot of shares in them at a low position. I think my average cost used to be like 270 or something, and now I got it down to 138. So it's only going to take us about 60 more cents to make all our money back. So not too worried about that one. The next one, Home Depot. My mom works for Home Depot, so I got to support her. That's up $147. Only have 2 shares of them, but just, you know, I bought them when all this coronavirus stuff started going down, so got a good deal on that. The next one, the next stock is actually going to be Coca-Cola. I called this as an option in my group chat this week, and I think it was on Tuesday. Was it Tuesday or something? I don't even remember. But you can see, guys, look at this. It literally called it right after this little downturn, and then boom, huge spike up. We made a lot of profits this week in my group chat. Recommend clicking it. First link in the description, like I said. But yeah, we're up $60. We also did calls on it this week. This is just some shares that I own for the dividend aspect of it. But yeah, Coca-Cola, great stock. If you're not in it right now, purchase shares. Also recommend Waste Management, and I also recommend PZZA. Or actually, no, DPZ, Domino's Pizza. Check them out. Those are 3 free stocks I'll give out right now. But yeah, going off Coke, we're going to go down to AMD. Have them on my computer as well next to me. I bought these guys a little high. I bought them right before all the market stuff went down. So I bought them at the average cost of $54. And as you guys can see, take a look at this. Watch. So I bought it at $54. Let's go to the 3 month, because I always forget. It's already been 3 months since all this coronavirus has been going down. Like it hasn't been a lot. So yeah, I bought them around this time right here. Rode it all the way through the 39, 38, picked back up, and now I'm just kind of holding on to it, hoping that it'll go and continue to make its way up to the Nvidia price point. But yeah, I have $1,000 of equity in them with the average cost of $54. Okay, so the next one's going to be Ford, and same thing with this one. Right before all the coronavirus stuff started to happen, I bought them at the average cost of $7, which was a good steal at the time too, because they were trading previously to that around $9 or $10. So I got them for $7.09, and then continued to pick up more stuff as they were going down. But yeah, we're at a negative $464 with Ford, but we will make it back through dividends, and this stock will go back up. Not worried about Ford right now. So yeah, I'm actually happy with how much Ford I own. I own 253 shares of Ford. So I'm actually pretty happy with that. Even though it is negative at the moment, it will go back up through dividends and just constantly back going up. KHC. So guys, I'm going to take a pause real quick in this video. I know I've shown some downsides of my portfolio and some up. I've also done a lot of options with this portfolio. So a lot of the games have been through options and stuff like that too. So yeah, you may see some negatives, but I mean, it's just the time. Literally everything is up. My entire portfolio was entirely green back in February, and then all this stuff happened, and it's just how life was. I dropped $7,000. I increased my everything $7,000 when all this stuff was going down. So I'm very happy, because now that the Dow is getting back to where it was previously on its high, it just means I'm gonna make so much more money now in the long run. So quick little pause on that. Back to the video. KHC right here. I bought this before the first quarter earnings of this stock. I bought it like somewhere around this time, and then boom, it dropped to $26 instantly. I tried to play earnings on it, did not go correctly, and then yeah, coronavirus happened, took it down low. But yeah, we're riding it back up. It actually got me back in profit at one point, but now it's a little bit low. But one thing that's good from it is I've received dividends from them. So I've actually, even though I'm negative, what, $25, I just got a $20 dividend from them on March 27th. So down $5, not bad, not bad. So yeah, Kraft Heinz, you've seen their ketchup, their mustard, all that. Great stock, especially during the coronavirus now. That's why they rallied during it, is because their sales should be boosting. Next one, Intel. Have them on my computer as well next to me. I have 21 shares of that at the average cost of $47.13. Great computer company, $264 gains from them. And yeah, I get a little nice dividend from them too. I think it's like $8, something low. Let me see. $6. I've gotten 2 dividends from them this year for $6. Not bad. Oh, actually the next one's June 1st. But yeah, great stock to have. I was actually in super high profit, as you can see last time, because I held them through all this crash. But yeah, I was in good profit over here back in January and February. But we'll get back there. We'll get back there. Not too worried. Now going from Nvidia, and I have so many different stocks, guys. Bank of America, I bought some of them on the from the rebound of this crash. So yeah, we have 9 shares at 21.51. It's at trading at $23. So we're up $20 on them. Great dividend stock, but not too much of. I don't have too many shares to really show dividend impact on my portfolio, but just something to hold. Kind of cool. Same with General Motors. My truck is GMC, so kind of cool to own them. Have 12 shares of them, and I'm up $60. Average cost of 19, so not too bad. Great dividend stock, but also, like I said, same thing as Bank of America. Don't really have too many to show an impact of those dividends, but everything does count, guys. And then boom, Uber I just picked up last week, and we're up $14. Not bad. For some reason they beat earnings, even though they're negative. What was it? I don't want to say a number. I think it's negative $2 billion. They said. Is there any news articles? Negative. Uber loses $3 billion. My bad. $3 billion in a month, but stock rebounds. So yeah, it's just crazy how this market works sometimes. But yeah, we're up $14. Not too bad. I actually bought these guys when they IPO'd, and it went down really bad. One of the first stocks I ever bought on this portfolio. But yeah, we're back in Uber, hanging out there. We're up at the moment. And then going from Uber, we're going to go to Delta Airlines, which I just picked up recently also because it was kind of downed out. People are probably going to be thinking it's dumb to pick up Delta Airlines at this time because it will continue to go down. But the way I look at it is in 30 years, Delta Airlines is not going to be $22.54. Hopefully in 30 years I don't come back to this video and Delta Airlines is bankrupt or no longer a company. But yeah, as of now I'm holding them negative $35 and hoping to hold for the future. As you can see, they're trading at like 50, 60 before all this happened. But I know a big airline bankruptcies are gonna come, but I'm not too worried about Delta. They're my favorite personal favorite airline carrier. So yeah, Delta Airlines, got some shares on them. Not too many. Not one of my favorite. And then Altria, to all you cigarette smokers out there, thank you for making me money. This is a tobacco company right here, one of the biggest ones. I was actually super big on these companies, so let's go look at this. So yeah, we are high up right here at the 51s. I bought it right here at this low point, wrote it up here, was sitting high, was collecting dividends, feeling really good. Coronavirus out, got to a low of, what was it, 31. Wish I bought more personally, but I didn't. But it's slowly going back up. A little negative right now, but yeah, like I said, great. Look at that, 2 dividends this year so far for $17 each. It's almost what we're negative. Not bad. Not quite, but almost. So yeah, great stock. If you don't smoke tobacco, though, not a good choice. Next one, West Oil Company. I had a friend from work actually recommend this. So yeah, bought this at 484. I watched this stock right here just tumble down for quite some time. Just tumbling. And I bought it right here around this low point. When everything was going on. So yeah, I wrote it up a little bit, and now we're actually in some good profits. So we have 55 shares of them, and I think I'm getting $17 dividend. Not bad. That's pretty good. When does that come? May 14th. Nice. So good little dividend company right there. Pretty happy on that buy. Alright, the next stock right here is going to be Veritone. Now, this is an AI company that's basically a sort of interface that works with the scanning of the faces. It's kind of a weird concept. Watch some YouTube videos on it. Some big companies like Disney, Microsoft, and other major companies use them for services. But yeah. So yeah, I recently bought this stock, and it's just a cheap AI company right here. $5.93, not too wrong. I only picked up a position of $233 or $232 at the time, so I'm not too worried if I lost that all. But yeah, I got 36 shares, so not bad. Down $20, but I'm not too worried about that. If you check them out, which I highly recommend, just take a look into what they do. It's pretty cool, and it's pretty futuristic if you ask me. So yeah, a little small thing on the portfolio that could make it big one day. Who knows? Bam. Next one, Ladder Real Estate, little company right here. Same thing. Saw them at a low, 52-week low. Decided to buy them. Worked out in my favor. Only cost $78 to buy 25 shares at the time, and now it's $203 in my pocket of equity. So yeah, we're up $125 on that real estate company. Pretty nice. Then going from Ladder, we're gonna go back here to this is a concrete company, mainly based out of Mexico. But they do have a lot of stuff going on in America, and this company is super cheap for its value. One thing that I've been trying to come up on lately is commodity stocks. I really am way out of touch with commodities. This is one of them right here. So yeah, average cost of $2.15. They're only at $2.18 right now. But I promise you guys, take a look into this company. In 6 months from now, you're not going to see this company for $2.18. So yeah, pretty good company right here. Take a look into them. Recommend buying them right now. If you're watching this video anytime in May, buy that stock right now. Guarantee it. Change your life. And then yeah, guys, then the rest of this portfolio is just gonna be some small stuff I have, like just change that I threw at some stuff, like Aurora Cannabis. I believe I got like a free stock from someone and then bought a couple shares of it. I'm only like, I haven't made any money. I think I'm actually down like $1 or something. Yeah, I'm down like 0.2 cents. So not too worried about Aurora Cannabis. Oops, that was going to my watch list. And then yeah, stuff like this, guys. Groupon, Alpha, V-Ray, Nokia. These are all just free shares I got. So this is the breakdown of it right here if you wanted to see my total return of everything. So yeah, Tesla up 8,000, Nvidia 400, all these stocks up, Coca-Cola up, Bank of America up. And then yeah, here's our down stocks, some Delta Airline. Biggest down stock is Ashford Hospitality Trust, but what can you do, guys? They have a huge portfolio. Like I said, buy them right now while you can, while it's a penny stock. But yeah, then Ford, Disney. But yeah, look guys, look at these companies I'm down on. I'm down on Ford, Disney, Boeing, Ultra, Kraft Foods, Delta Airlines, all big companies. These companies are not going anywhere. I am not worried about it. So yeah, pretty happy and successful with this portfolio. And then one last plug, guys, before I end this video. If you guys want to see profits like this, or want to see, if you just want to learn how I trade or how to trade, click the first link in the description to my Fiverr portfolio. So yeah, that's my final plug for that. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'm using this channel now for my webinars and stuff like that, so you guys will see some frequent uploads on that. And yeah, if you're from this group chat, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, comment, subscribe, all that. And I think you guys will be seeing some more videos similar to this in the future. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, and also comment down below some stock recommendations you guys have for me adding to this portfolio. And if you're new to Robinhood, click the second link in the description and sign up using my link, because then we both get a free stock. So yeah, thank you guys.